When I feel like taking a shower, it all starts with the beautiful task of chopping some wood somewhere near the van. Then I stack the kindling wood carefully into my wood stove. To magically call the fire spirits and to invite them to come alive in their dance that warms my soul and body. After that, I get my biggest pot, which can carry about 4 liters, and I fill it up with water. By now the flames are fully alive, and I place the pot onto the stove. Soon I will encourage the flames to dance even longer and stronger. After about 30 minutes, I carefully check the water temperature. Then I prepare my wooden shower basin with the submersible pump. To start the pump, I can later use this switch. Then I hang my shower curtain onto small hooks on the ceiling to create a waterproof tunnel that overlaps on the entry. I place a towel in front of it. Then I pour the perfectly hot water into the shower basin. And while the wood stove warms me generously, I get rid of all my earthly feathers and step into the comfortably warm water. Through the curtain, I can flick the switch to turn on the pump, and finally it's time to enjoy the wonderful warm shower. The 4 liters get pumped in an endless loop so that I can shower as long as I want. Having a shower in my van really made the van feel like a proper home to me. And it is still such a funny feeling to shower in a vehicle. It sometimes can make you go just a little bit high on life.
Oh, if my neighbors knew I have a shower in my van, don't you? Oh, don't you think they would be a little bit pissed off that this hobo has such a luxury? Woo! Yeah, that's how I roll, because I roll in my home. I roll in my home, I roll in my home. I roll in my home till I reach the final destination. And I will smile to see my home. I rolling away, going into the fire of existence.
The water cools down slowly, but even in winter I can shower comfortably for about 5 minutes, feeling so much more refreshed than after washing myself only by hand. On the hooks over the wood stove, my towel dries super quickly. Then I put the dripping shower curtain into the sink and get the freely movable shower basin to pour all the shower water into the drain. Then I let everything hang and dry out, and ventilate the van to get the humidity out. Feeling refreshed and relaxed, I can peacefully go to bed after a long day and have some sweet dreams. Lots of more fun bed showering.
Ciao. Shower in the bed is the best.